is programming knowledge necessary for a career in UX design or web design. You don't need to learn code in order to dive into UX. If you have an understanding of code and if you've taken like an entry-level course, you're definitely well off, and probably more well off compared to other designers in the realm of UX. Coding is something that is required to build the product. So when you're designing and strategizing for what users might do on a product, if you understand what it's built on, then you could better navigate the design process and also navigate where the goal might be or the outcome of your product, because you have a better understanding of your technological constraints. Programming is not necessary to know, but it is a huge plus. And the longer you dive into UX and the longer you've been in the career, naturally you'll just be more exposed to coding knowledge.